So I have the rest of the petals made, which is the third size, 6 of them, and then the fourth size, the biggest, 6 of them. I'm just going to start with the third. So before taping, we just need to get the wires bent, right? I'm just going to tape them around. I'm just going to place it just where the wire starts. So this will be my layer there. So after one, I'm going to start overlapping. That's the fourth one. And then one last, which is the sixth of the third size. I'm just going to bend the wires for the last layer as well. I'm going to start taping the last again. Just keep it as close to the rest of the petals, the layer above as possible. Go around and keep overlapping. Make space for all 6. To the last petals, they are good to be wired because you will start feeling the motion. The movement will be there, right? And then there is another layer with the movement, and then the center is all stuck. Okay, and so once that is done, all petals taped, I just move down and tape all the wires together. And still, if you feel the petals are not fully taken its shape, it's better to just leave them upside down. So I'm just going to get the tissue rolls and then place the rack there, and then this flower at the stage, I'm just going to bend this upside down, make a J hook, and then just hang it out there. So the rest of the petals will just dry up. And this one I'm not going to dust it, I'm going to airbrush, so you could just get a hang of how to airbrush a flower. So that is also another easy way to color your whole flower. So I'll get back in this lesson after this is dried up to show you how to airbrush the flower.